India's economic survey for 2025-26 was tabled in Parliament by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on January 29th. The survey projects India's GDP growth at 6.8 to 7.2% for 2026-27, slightly lower than the 7.4% estimated for the current financial year. India's long-term potential growth is pegged at around 7%. The report highlights strong macroeconomic stability. Inflation remained low at around 1.7% in 2025. Banking sector stress has eased with bad loans falling to multi-decade lows. Exports and external strength remain key pillars. Services exports hit record levels while foreign exchange reserves crossed $700 billion, offering strong import and debt cover. Manufacturing and infrastructure are showing structural recovery. PLI schemes have driven large investments and job creation. High-speed corridors and airport expansion continue to accelerate connectivity. Agriculture output reached record levels, supporting rural incomes. Financial inclusion and digital penetration also expanded significantly with record bank accounts and investor participation. The survey also flags emerging social risks. It warns about rising digital addiction and sleep deprivation affecting productivity and academic outcomes. Overall, the survey says India remains on a stable growth path, supported by reforms, strong domestic demand, and improving supply-side capacity.